Welcome back to Every Art Studio. I'm Anna and we're gonna pack some mail today. So for those who are not aware, I run a music mail club called Swing Set, and each month we feature a different artist, no matter where they're from, the language they speak, whether they're big or small. And each month you receive a CD album cover made out of cardstock, which is imprinted with original artwork, and stickers, lyrics to sing along to, and a letter about my connection to them, what I think about their music, and just information to know more about them. Shall we? First of all, in case anyone is curious, my printer is the ET2850 Epson, and I'm pretty happy with it. My digital files print just as I see them on my iPad. This is the CD sleeve I send out to my members, and it works perfectly to print on envelopes as well. The smudge is kind of intentional. I mean, it happens, and I just leave it there because it just makes the envelope look a little bit more cool. But yeah, so first I prepare all of my CD sleeves. I print them and I cut them and glue them together. Once that's done, I print everything else, like the letters, the stickers, the CD disc playlist, and at last I start personalizing each one of the lyrics. So the lyrics are printed on colored cardstock, and for this month I decided to do a little doodle of a little sketch of a wine glass or a martini glass, and I decided to add some cute little details just to share with everyone a little bit of my passion for scrapbooking, and I think it looks a bit more cute and ties the April's month mail better, because we're featuring a Montreal-based duo called Rapallo, and they're super awesome, and their music is something called Yacht Rock. Honestly, their music is completely amazing, and I invite you to listen to their music. Even though you don't subscribe to my mail, I think you should definitely follow their journey. They've been making music together since 2020. But anyways, I'm trying to protect all the prints and the CD sleeve in a vellum paper just in case it's raining. I do not want my mail to be damaged at all. For some of them, I also included a backing card just in case it bends, and I just want to avoid that. I want my members, my listeners, to receive their mail perfectly as they were packed. So each wax seal is a different color, but it's still the same design. And just to wrap it up, I am happy with the progress that I've made with my club so far. We have international members, we have members in the US and multiple from Canada, and I'm just so happy because with my previous mail club, I was never able to use my international stamps, so it's just kind of a big win for me at this point. Anyways, if you're interested in joining my club, go to Every Art Studio That's Door, or just like and subscribe.